Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Peerkangai chutney. It's called as rich gourd chutney. We are going to make this chutney with the cover of rich gourd and flesh of rich gourd. So let's go into the video. I'll show you the ingredients, what all needed to make for chutney. This chutney you can consume it for variety of idlis and dosas. This is 20 centimeter long rich gourd. 1 big onion, 1 big tomato, few red chilies and 1/4 coconut, chana dal, few small onions, mustard seed, broken urad dal, cooking oil, salt, little tamarind, curry leaf, asafoetida. This is chopped rich gourd with its skin. Now heat the pan, pour 6 to 7 teaspoons of oil, grease it. First add chana dal, cook it nicely, add red chilli, then chopped big and small onion, saute it nicely, then add the chopped tomatoes, tamarind, add little salt for this tomato onion alone, then add the chopped rich gourd with skin, saute it nicely, add curry leaf. Before offing the flame, add coconut, now it is cooked. After it gets warmed, grind it in mixie as a fine paste. Now in the seasoning ladle, pour 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is ready, add mustard seed, broken urad dal, asafoetida,